Hello and welcome to SI Tutorials. My name is Anthony Williams and I will be your host. In this video I'm going to show you how to bring down your histograms and your descriptives for your ANOVA assignment in Unit 10. Basically what you have to do is you have to not only bring down your dependent variable by itself, but you also have to bring it down by your factor levels. And so I'm going to show you how to do the factor levels part, and I'll show you how to do the other part too. So go up to Analyze. By the way, this data set is not your data set, so please don't use these numbers. You're going to want to do your own work here because these numbers will be wrong because this is from a previous quarter. Okay, so go to Descriptive Statistics, Analyze Descriptive Statistics, and then click Explore. You're going to do, I'm going to bring over the final variable, which is not your variable, but that's what I'm going to bring. And then I'm going to do it by section. And you're going to put your final variable in your dependent list and your section variable into your factor list. You're going to go to Plots, click the Plots button, uncheck Stem and Leaf, check Histogram, check Normality Plots with Tests, click Continue, click Statistics, everything is good here, Continue, and then click OK. And that's going to bring down everything you need. So you're going to have your dependent variable is going to be separated into sections. Your dependent variable will be different than this, but your section is what you're going to do it by for your ANOVA. It will give you a simple processing summary, which you won't have to really do anything with. That will, however, tell you how many students you have in each section, as it were. It's telling you your sample size for each section. And then your descriptives. Now, when you actually copy and paste this into Word, you can remove certain things. Just once you have the table in Word, you can basically highlight the rows that you do not want and delete them, and that way it'll make it a lot shorter than this. So for example, you don't need the 5% trimmed mean. I would leave median, standard deviation, variance. You might take out the minimum and maximum and the range and the interquartile range. Leave your skewness and kurtosis in there because you'll need all those to do your, basically this is for your testing your assumptions for normality of your distribution. Okay, so you have all three sections here and all the information in your descriptives there. You have your tests of normality, so here's your Shapiro-Wilk for each section, and then you have your histograms for each section. And you can copy and paste that, follow the instructions in the unit assignment to make sure you're pasting everything where it goes. You're going to paste that into your Word document. Now, in order to get, you can use the same thing in order to go to Explore. You can do the same thing to get your final or your dependent variable all by itself. Just remove the other one, and everything's still set the same way it was. So click OK. And that's going to give you everything together. So here you have your 105 and your sample size. You have your mean for the whole dependent variable together, not separated into sections. You have your test of normality for the whole variable together, and you have your histogram for your whole variable together. Now, just to let everybody know too, you don't need to do anything with these normal QQ plots. Or this box plot. Those things don't need to be pasted into your Word document. So you can ignore all of that stuff because it's going to give you a lot more than you actually need for your assignment paper. So just make sure that you're only pasting what it tells you to paste into your assignment paper. And that is basically all there is to that. Thank you for watching. Enjoy.